Hello and welcome to Cover Math, and today we are going to use synthetic division to find the quotient and the remainder. So first of all, you must make sure that the given polynomial has been written in descending order. So in this one, it is not written in descending order. So to write it in descending order, it will be x power 4 minus 5x cubed. So the term for x cubed is there, plus 16x squared. And then we don't have the term for x power 1, so we add 0x and then plus 3. We are dividing this by x minus 3. So in this case, since we are dividing by x minus 3, it means that x minus 3 is a factor of this particular polynomial. So you equate it to 0, and so for x, you get x equals to 3. So we want to see, when we divide this using synthetic division, what will be the quotient and what will be the remainder. So the 3 that we are dividing with, we write it outside here, and then we get the coefficients of the terms of the polynomial here. And this is coefficient of x power 4 is 1, coefficient of x power 3 is -5, coefficient of x squared is 16, coefficient of x power 1 is 0, and the constant term is 3. So usually when you're using synthetic division, we drop this 3 down here, this 1 down here. You multiply 1 by 3, you get 3. Then you add -5 plus 3, that gives you -2. Then you multiply -2 by this 3, you get -6. Then you do 16 plus -6, that is +10. Then you do +10 times 3, that gives you +30. Then you add these two, you get 30. Then you multiply this 30 by this 3, you get 90. And then you add these together, you get 93. Now, this number that we have here is the remainder. So what happens, since we had a quadratic function, once you do division, whatever you end up with is a cubic function. So the coefficient for x cubed is 1, coefficient for x squared is -2, and coefficient for x is +10. So therefore, we end up getting x cubed minus 2x squared plus 10x plus 30 and then plus 93 divided by what you are dividing with. This expression that we are dividing with, which is x minus 3. So that is your answer. You have the polynomial plus the remainder there. And that's all you do in this particular question.